Do you want your website to rank higher on Google and load blazing fast? I just took my mobile performance score from a sluggish 73 to almost perfect 99 using one free plugin. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how I did it in just a few minutes. What's going on? I'm Jared and I'm on a journey to learn everything about growing brands, from web development to SEO, funnels, email marketing, so on and so forth. As I learn, I'm sharing the tools and strategies that actually work for me so you can skip the trial and the error. Big emphasis on skipping the errors.
That's what I'm talking about.
Now, why does PageSpeed even matter? Not only does a faster website create a better experience for your visitors, but it also directly affects your Google search rankings. A slow site could be costing you clicks, traffic, and most importantly, sales. So improving your page speed isn't just nice to have, it's a must-have. And today I'm showing you one simple change that I made that made a huge difference for me. Let's get into it. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is go to Google, typing in PageSpeed Insights, clicking on that first one by Google, and I'm gonna type in my website, and we'll hit Analyze. Give it a second to load up. All right, so you guys will see my performance score is 73. So let's fix that. All right, let's head over to the site. All right, so what I'm gonna be using is called LiteSpeed Cache. You can download that, it's a free plugin. On the dashboard, you'll see my object cache and my browser cache are turned off. So first thing I'm gonna do is head to the presets and the advanced recommended. It should be defaulted there, but I'm gonna go ahead and click it anyway. We'll load that up and let's go ahead and get into our general settings. Automatic upgrades, I'll turn that on. Everything else, if you're following along, you can match mine. Tuning is good, nothing there. And make sure you hit that Save Changes button. Now we're gonna head over to the cache. Pretty much everything should be on here. Obviously you'll see there, everything's clicked on. Nothing to save, but just to be sure that all the settings are right, let's go ahead and go down the timeline. So the TTL is good. Set over to the purge, make sure your purge all on upgrade is on. Everything else there is good. Next, the ESI, make sure the ESI is off. The object cache, this is where that on that home screen, or the dashboard, sorry, that you saw was off. Here we turn it on, make sure you hit that Save Changes button. On the browser, make sure that the browser cache is also on. And everything there is good, so hit Save Changes. From there, on the dashboard, now you'll see the object and browser cache are on. So we want cache status, we want all for everything. All right, so let's head to image optimization. Shouldn't have to change much here. On here, make sure you just follow along. The top three are on, next three are off, then on for the bottom two with the WebP replacement. All right, so those were general settings, but this is where the real magic happens. Under page optimization, make sure you guys look exactly like mine. So CSS minify, make sure it's on. That's really the only one you're gonna change here. The JS setting, make sure the JS minify is on. Follow those as well. HTML minify, make sure that's on. Right here, load Google fonts asynchronously. Make sure that is turned on. All right, head over to the media settings. Make sure your lazy load images is turned on. Under here, the lazy load iframes and the add missing sizes, make sure you turn those on as well. From there, we're gonna do something in that VPI, which is that next button over. The viewport images on and the view images cron, make sure that's on as well. What that's gonna do is detect images above the fold and make sure that they load. Now, those are the major changes you're gonna make. Everything else, again, you can follow along in the video. You'll see I click localizations, make sure yours looks similar to mine. Nothing really changed there. Nothing changed in tuning as well either. And for this very last one, the tuning CSS, nothing changed there. So now that that's all done, let's make sure we purge all so that all changes are saved and everything is fresh with the site. And then we're gonna head back to our PageSpeed Insight test and re-hit that Analyze button. And voila, there we have it. You guys see a 99 performance score. Now obviously there are still some things we can go back and fix, but as far as PageSpeed Insights are concerned, that is a good test. Look, I'm not an expert yet.
You could have fooled me.
But I'm learning as I go. And this one thing made a huge difference for my own site. If your page speed is holding you back, give LiteSpeed Cache a try and see the results for yourself. Also, let me know in the comments if this worked for you or if there's something else you're stuck on. And if you're on the same journey as me, hit that like button and subscribe so we can figure this whole brand building thing out together. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.